High mountain tops covered with snow. Strong winds blowing everything off. Sheep, vast green valleys, waterfalls, rivers, ancient castles, hairy cows, and Highlanders. Spectacular, isn't it? Welcome to Scotland, one of the amazing parts of the United Kingdom. Tom and Mary are in Scotland now. They've come with their parents to watch the famous Highland Games. Have you heard of them? These games are so popular in the UK that tickets are sold out months before they start. Let's not waste any time and join Mary and Tom so we don't miss a thing. Words you may need. Compete. Hammer throw. Hill run. Marching band. Play the bagpipes. Shot put. Tossing the caber. Tree trunk. Tug of war. Words to learn. Hold on to. Hold upright. Pull over. Sell out. Take part in. Take place. Today is the first day of September, the day when the Highland Games are held in Scotland. Tom and Mary are sitting and watching the games. They're excited. What can they see? They see an athlete who is throwing a hammer. A hammer, you ask? Yes, a very heavy hammer. The athletes are very strong. Mary looks puzzled. What is she looking at? An athlete is putting a shot. Why does she look so worried? Because she doesn't want anyone to get hurt. Tom is looking towards the hills. He is watching athletes running up and down. He's very interested in what they're doing because he tried it once, and it was extremely difficult. Mary and Tom are not sitting anymore. They are standing. What is going on? They see a man running, holding a heavy tree trunk upright. They don't yet know that this is a competition, and it is called tossing the caber. Soon the athlete will stop running and throw the tree trunk up into the air. Mum and Dad have joined their children. They are all shouting and cheering the teams on. A tug of war is being held on the field. It's very interesting and exciting when two teams hold onto a rope and try to pull each other over the line. Can you hear the music? The marching band performance has begun. The bagpipers, dressed in Scottish national costume, are marching along the grandstand and playing the bagpipes. What a wonderful show! Mary, Tom, Mum, and Dad are not on the grandstand anymore. But where are they? They are standing near an ice cream stall and eating ice cream. It looks as though they are having the time of their